Hi everyone, it's Fabian from Drum Lessons Bristol. Today we're going to be looking at a variation of the famous King Kong beat. I was working on a couple of different variations of the 2+3+3 pattern, so that's 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3, and I realised that a slight alteration to the King Kong beat would basically give you 3 different displacements of that pattern. So let's have a look at what those 3 different versions of the same rhythm look like, first of all on their own, and then what happens when you put them together. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope it all made sense. Let me know in the comments what you think, and don't forget to check out my other videos and subscribe.